We are all set to officially begin this celebration of Indian independence. I would now like to call on stage Secretary General IBPC, Dr. Sahitya Chaturvedi, for a welcome address. Let's welcome him with a round of applause, everyone. Before I present an AV, I want to collectively thank the IBPC annual sponsors, TriStar Group, FMC Network UAE, Lulu Group International, Aster DM, HSBC Bank and Pooja Studios. Let's have a huge round of applause for all our sponsors. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have an AV. Can we have the AV, please? And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's finally time to present to you the cultural event that we have put together. Dance and celebration and music is an integral part of the Indian culture, and that's what we are going to present to you. I need to check, are we all awake? I don't think so. Come on, are you ready for the stage to be set on fire? Yes, louder. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Zor se. See, without a mic someone is saying, so you all need to join him. Match the energy, come on. Celebrating the Indian independence, ladies and gentlemen, energy kahan hai? Who wants to win some gifts? Simple question. How much do you know about India? Okay. So Indian independence is celebrated on which date? 15th August. That's not the question. The question is, nobody shouts the answer, okay? After how many years of British rule was India freed? Should I give you options? Okay. Option A, 80 years. Option B, 90 years. Option C, 100 years. आप वहां क्यों देख रहे हैं? Guess करिए ना, आपको option भी दे दिया मैंने.
90.
90? No? What do you have to say, sir?
I think it's closer to 200 years.
200 years of British rule? 300 years? 91 years? This is correct. 90 years, yeah, almost 90 years. 89 is also correct, but I'll give it to you. Good, you did not believe anyone. They were all guiding you wrong. Your gift is right there. Can I please request the IBPC team to bring a bag that's courtesy IBPC. There are some really nice perfumes for you. Thank you, sir. Minister of India.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Zor se.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Congratulations. Simple. Can we have a gift passed on here? So we are joined by our dignitaries here, and we've heard some of them speak, and now it's time for our Consul General of India to the UAE, His Excellency Shri Satish Sivan, to please address the audience. I need a bigger round of applause for him. Come on, everyone. Thank you so much, sir. And before I move on to calling the next person on stage, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by some of the best people, most important people in this room. We have some Indians who are running extremely successful businesses and are core partners of the IBPC as well, who have always supported us. Lulu, Joy Alucas, TriStar, Ajmal Perfumes. We have Vasubhai with us. Can we have a huge round of applause, please, for all our senior leaders who have joined us today. Piche wale log, I can see you, so you better clap. If you don't like clapping, you can whistle also. CT bhi aap baja sakte hain, because yeah, we are here to celebrate now, so you can, and trust me, we have such, yeah, that was good. That was a good attempt, but didn't. There you go. See, good job. Anyone from this side? See? I knew you have that talent in you. So save this, because we have a beautiful cultural program coming up very shortly, and it'll take a few minutes. I will introduce them to you. And by the way, let me also tell you that a very important media channel is in this room as well. I represent them too. I don't know if you've watched me on Z Connect. I feature on ZTV Middle East every Sunday, and my entire team of ZTV is here in this room recording this entire event. So all your faces are going to be on television on the show. So keep smiling and keep clapping and keep cheering for us, for IBPC and for India. Aage badhe? Let's move on. All right. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and invite Chairman IBPC Dubai, Mr. Siddharth Balachandran, on stage with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
जिसने आज इतनी अच्छी तरह से शाम को संभाला है, will like to felicitate, request Paras Sahab to felicitate the anchor from GTV.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to host this mega event. Presenting a face you've seen on ZTV, top sports tournaments, corporate events and weddings, award-winning MC, presenter, actor, model, and celebrity anchor.
Thank you very much. This was a surprise, but thank you. Thank you, Sahitya ji. And ab aap sab please dinner ke liye prasthan kare. Thank you very much for being a part of the Indian Independence Day celebrations here organized by IBPC. We keep organizing the best events, and this is yet another one, another successful one. Thank you for joining us tonight. Please enjoy your dinner and see you at the next one. Take care. Good night.